In today's episode I lost my phone and damaged my camera. But let's start from the beginning. First of all, a breakfast for champions at Igra Street Food across from the hostel. 30 kuna, which is roughly €4 for eggs, bacon and bread. Come on now. Went to the toilet and we're good to go. Alright guys, we're doing the... Nope, I'll do it up top. Alright, made it up to the stairs and Allan and I were going up to the viewpoint. So it's like a round trip, roughly like 3 hours up the ridge to the viewpoint, and then like a zigzag way down to Old Town, and then I'll hit the beach. And yeah, let's go. Let's hit it. Hey guys, what's up? Say hi to the camera. So, I just got this Coke, sponsored by Allan, and and this is actually awesome. This is like a pocket filled with cheese and ham and tomato. And then my phone was gone. Alright, unbelievable guys. You cannot make this up. I went to this bakery, Pakara, and I left my phone on the counter. And then I was walking down the street with Allan, where I did the stupid dance. And then I was sitting there eating my sandwich. And Allan said, "Oh, don't eat while you walk. Let's just sit down and relax." And okay, I was like, okay, sure. Thanks. So we just sat down, and then there was like 10-15 minutes later, a woman walked by, never seen her before, and she just looks at me and goes like, "Oh, I think you forgot your phone in the bakery." And I'm like, "No." And then I looked around and was like, "Oh, where's my phone?" Looked in the backpack, couldn't find it, and then I was so worried, and then I ran back, and then yeah, the rest you can see now. Unbelievable. Hey, did I forget my phone here? Oh my god, thank you so much for all. Oh my god, no thank you.
No problem.
I'm so stupid.
Stay here.
I put it here.
Here on the, because I couldn't remember who's it.
Thank you so much. You're amazing. Thank you. Oh, before I forget, here's why I dropped my camera in the first place.
Oh shit.